Bumpy day into Lubbock. The ILS 17 right. We got the auto throttles, manual, perfect.
Put my first set of flaps in.
Go for it. You can bring up your checklist whenever you want to, too, if you want to. Now you've got time.
Vertical track.
Oh, thank you. Somebody else in the plane. Good.
Departure Eagle Med 29, so we out of 4.5, 6,000 runway.
Eagle Med 29, Lubbock departure, radar contact, climb maintain 17,000, turn left, heading 080, vector climb.
17,000 and 180 for the heading, Eagle Med 29.
Eagle Med 29, heading 080 for the climb.
Oh, sorry about that, 080, Eagle Med 29.
Don't switch yet. Here you go. Okay, now that it's, once it lines up and that ghost needle comes in, then I'd hit approach. Wait till the ghost needle comes in there.
I already have approach.
Oh, good, you already have it in there. No, but the nav source, I'm sorry, the nav source. I would wait till that needle gets closer. Okay, now try it.
Med 29, turn left, heading 050.
There you go, got it.
050, Eagle Med 29.
Now we're more lined up.
Shoot 22, contact tower 239.3.
Roll.
Okay, so it's okay, it's roll because it's going to engage it. I'll explain that in a little bit. Roll worked for us. Okay, now let's slow down the plane now, right?
It's at 140.
There you go. Great. Yeah. Yeah, when it's bumpy, I think it's almost better to do either manual or manual auto throttles, just to give you a little extra, few extra knots. We're so far out, I don't think you're going to get the dot above glide slope for a little bit, but we'll see.
We don't have glide slope capture.
Not yet, because you're still so far out,
right,
John.
So it's got to come down here.
See how far you are from CSAP?
Yeah.
You're 10 miles from there.
It's a long way, right?
Yeah, it is.
Looking at it. 12
Right.
miles.
Exactly. And so then you've got Kiev, which is our final approach fix.
Right.
It's going to be a ways.
Shoot 44, contact tower 239.3.
Wow, look at all this land.
Isn't it beautiful? All the pivots.
We're in Texas.
Eagle Med 29, clear direct Dallas Love.
Clear Dallas Love, Eagle Med 29.
Still have 3.5 minutes to get a CSAT.
Lubbock approach, good afternoon, layer 626 Juliet, Charlie, 20.5 descending, 14,000.
It's a long
Layer
approach.
626 Juliet, Charlie, Lubbock approach, Lubbock altimeter is 2977. Descend path discretion, maintain 6,000. Expect visual approach to Plainview Airport. Advise when you have the Plainview weather and NOTAMs.
Hey, bear with me.
Now we get the 1 minute
very
weather
proud of
over there
us
at
to doing all
Plainview,
this
626
training.
Juliet, Charlie.
Roger.
this way, way, way out there. Seeing that distant horizon?
Is this in Canada?
No, no, but you can almost see it from here.
Mackerel.
There, we're getting closer. Nice. There we go, see?
6 miles.
There you go, that's where we're at.
Oh, we were 152?
Starting to come down now.
Up, down?
It's gonna be a wise. Because remember, it won't do anything until at least CSAP,
Yeah.
right?
Pretty low.
Shut up, Meryl.
This allows you to see more, Marilyn.
Yeah.
There's got to be negative. This is real.
I see the runway. Way up there.
Yep. It's a big airport.
Yeah, it is.
UMAD 29, contact Fort Worth Center 126.45.
2645, we'll see you, my 29.
Vision 1 Alpha Charlie, contact Tower 120.5.
We got tower 120.51. Charlie, thanks for your help. Tower Vision Jet 651 Alpha Charlie on the ILS. 17 right coming up to CSAP.
Vision Jet 651 Alpha Charlie, Lubbock Tower, wind 210 at 11, runway 17 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 17 right, 1 Alpha Charlie.
Lubbock Tower, Native Air 29.
Shoot 44, contact departure. Native 29, Lubbock Tower.
Yeah, Roger, Native Air 29 is just off of UMC en route to the west ramp. We're squawking 0407.
Native 29, landing at the west ramp, be at your own risk, wind 200 at 11, traffic 1 mile final, landing and departing T38.
Roger, Native Air 29.
Landing gear is not there. Keep it 4600. Why is it staying here? Because I didn't.
Well, because you no,
222,
don't.
contact departure.
You'll capture it,
Alright.
right?
Yeah,
Because you're doing a precision approach, so you might as well just use the glide slope. Coming down there. I know your arm's getting tired.
Very green. Final flaps. "45 seconds to key." Just approach out to 6,000.
Good, good set.
above minimums.
Nice approach, John.
500 above minimums.
Lubbock Tower, Alpha Charlie. Can we have wind check, please?
Wind 200 at Niner.
Thank you.
So you had just a slight right crosswind.
Three green flaps full.
500.
Clear to land. 17 right, ready to go around with this big ass 73 or something right there on our tail. See that?
Yeah, I see him.
$100 above minimums.
Minimums.
Disconnected. That was better.
Better.
Nice.
Good.
Just aim to be on the right a little bit more and you'd have perfect.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lubbock.